Good morning students. Last class we will discuss about comparison of two fractions and ascending order and descending order of like fractions. Today we will explain the ascending order and descending order of fractions with unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 5, 3 by 7 and 7 by 10. We have to write ascending order and descending order also. See, first of all, to compare any two fractions, comparison of any two fractions, we have to equal numerators and denominators. Numerators or denominators. If you equal the denominators, then it will be very easy. Why? Because already last class we discussed 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Here two denominators are equal, then the numerator which will be less, the whole fraction will be less, which in the second fraction, which numerator is more, then the whole fraction value is more. That's why first of all we have to equate all denominators are equal. See here, the given problem 5, 7, 10. Three denominators are different, means these are like fractions. First of all, take LCM. LCM 5, 7 and 10. Direct you will take with 5 table. 5 1 jar, 7 are there in 5 table, that's why write as it is, and 5 2 jar. Okay. It's enough. LCM is equal to 5 into 1 into 7 into 2 is equal to 5 1 jar 5, 5 7 jar 35, 35 2 jar 70. The LCM value how much? Is 70. The LCM value is 70. Now, why are you finding LCM? Means the three numbers, means the three denominators value to the equal. We have to equal the denominators. That's why we are taking LCM. Now in each and every denominator I want 70. And each and every denominator we want 70. Means see, 1 by 5. In which number should multiply with 5 will get 70. In denominator I want 70. Means which number should multiply will get 70? Means 14. Means 14. Okay, according to the rule, the equivalent fraction should multiply any value with denominator should have multiply with numerator also. Any number, if you multiply any number with numerator, the same number should multiply with denominator also. Like that, this is the first fraction. Then what about second fraction? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. In denominator I want 70. Means 7 into which number will get 70? 10. Means should multiply with 10 by 10. Why I am multiplying numerator and denominator equally? Why? Because if you multiply only denominator, the fraction value will change. Thus way, without change the fraction value should multiply numerator and the denominator equally. Last one, 7 by 10. I want 70 means 10 into which number will get 70? 7 by 7. See, first number we multiplied with 14 by 14. 14 by 14 is nothing but 1. Why? Because the ratio of, otherwise any number is divided by with itself, will get answer is 1. That's why 1 into 1 by 5, 1 by 5 only. Like that, 3 by 7 into 10 by 10, 7 by 10 into 7 by 7. But here we are taking different values. Why? Because different values depend upon the denominator. Here 5 is there, that's why 5 into 14 will get 70. Like that, 7 into 10 will get 70. Like that, 10 into 7 will get 70. Okay, next, now multiply 1 into 14, 14 by 70, comma, 3 into 10, 30 by 70, comma, 7 7 jar 49 by 70. Now observe, Now observe, each and every fraction is having the equal denominator, means these are the like fractions. First of all, in the problem we have unlike fractions, now we will convert into like fractions. Now easily we can find which is the smallest one, which is the greatest one. Now right, actually in that the denominator is equal, denominators are equal, then the smallest one in this, what is the smallest one? 14 only. 14 is the smallest one. Then 30 is, compared to 14, 30 is more. Next 49 by 70. Now write ascending order. Ascending order is equal to ascending order. Okay, here ascending order means maximum members are thinking you have to write 14 by 70, 30 by 70, 49 by 70. Actually ascending order also is came same as it is the question wise. Why? Because in that 14 is less value, 30 is some more value, 49 is some more value. Okay, like that 14 is the smallest value. In that 14 by 70 means the first value what is that? 1 by 5 comma 30 by 70 is the second value. Actually in second value what is the question? 3 by 7 comma 49 by 70. 49 by 70 is nothing but the value of third value, means 7 by 10. This is the ascending order. We can write descending order also. Descending order equal to, descending order means nothing but quite opposite. 7 by 10, 3 by 7, 1 by 5. Okay, this is the ascending order and descending order of unlike fraction. Okay, I will explain once again. Here we are having unlike fractions. First of all, to equate the denominators, to equate the numerator also nothing problem, but to equate the numerators will get some confusion. That's why first of all we have to equate the denominators. Then is not possible. Why? Because is not possible means have to take LCM. By using LCM it is very easy. That's why I am taking LCM 5, 7, 10. What is the LCM value? 70. Now each and every denominator I have to convert into, I have to change is 70. Means for I am getting 70 for each and every denominator should multiply the means corresponding value, means 5, 14, here 14, 5 is there, that's why I am taking 14, here 7 is there, that's why I am taking 10, here 10 is there, that's why I am taking 7, like that I am getting equal denominators. Then which is the smallest numerator? That only the smallest value. Which is the highest numerator? That is the highest value. Writing ascending order and descending order. This is the ascending order and descending order of unlike fractions. Next, addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. Okay, in that first example, three by 2 plus 7 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Okay, see, first of all check these are like fractions or not. In like fractions it is very easy. In like fractions is there easy to any operation, addition, subtraction, whatever it is. First of all, then want to take the common denominator. Common denominator, we have to take common denominator. Take the common denominator. In some, actually some members, especially some members, we have to add, means 3 plus 7 10, 2 plus 2 is 4. don't think like that. In fractions, we have to take all denominators as a one denominator. In fractions, we have to take all denominators as a one denominator, that are all equal denominators. That's why the unlike fractions, first of all, we have to convert into like fractions. Like fractions is nothing but the equal denominators. Already we have equal denominators, that's why we have to take the common denominator. Then the numerators have to add 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, then what we'll get? 3 plus 7 is nothing but 10, 10 by 2, 10 by 2. Why? In 2 table 10 is possible cancellation. That's why 2 1 jar, 2 5 jar is equal to, will get 5 by 1 is nothing but 5, is nothing but 5. Okay. See, once again I repeat, here we have like fractions. In the like fractions, should add only numerators. The denominator as take the common value. The denominators don't take, how many number of denominators, don't take that. Just take only one denominator. Okay, the numerators will be add. The numerator should be add. Okay, one more problem. Example 2. 1 by 11. 3 by 11 and 9 by 11 plus 12 by 11. Okay. See, here I am taking 4 fractions, the two like fractions. Like fractions is there means nothing problem, very easy. First of all, take the common denominator. What is the common denominator here? Each and every fraction is having common denominator. What is that? 11. Now should add each and every numerator. What is the first numerator? Is 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 12. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 12. Okay, here 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 3, 25. 25 by 11. See here, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 12 is 25, 25 by 11. This is the, okay, this is the resultant value. After adding the, here we have 4 fractions. After adding these 4 fractions, we are getting the simple fraction, means the resultant factor. One more thing, after getting the result, have to check that is the standard form or not. Standard form already we discussed. Standard form means is not possible to cancellation, is not possible to division. Is 11 table there is no 25, in 25 table there is no 11, and 25 and 11 there is no in any table except 1. Okay, except 1. That's why 25 by 11 is the standard form. We have to convert into mixed fraction also. Okay, then 25 by 11 is the standard form. That's why this is the resultant answer. Now like fractions over. Now we'll take unlike fractions. Three by 5 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Here observe, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. In that there is no like fractions. The 5 and 7 are different denominators. For this we have to choose two methods. One is LCM method, one more is the cross multiplication method. For two numbers is there, two fractions we have, that's a cross multiplication is very easy. Okay, next again we'll explain the LCM method for further problems. Okay, first the cross multiplication means first numerator with the second denominator. Okay, I will write 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 like this. Okay, means 3 into 7 plus 2 into 5. Don't be confused. 3 into 7 plus 2 into 5. Okay, next what about denominator? Denominator also should multiply. The two denominators should multiply, means 5 into 7. 3 into 7, 2 into 5 by 5 into 7. These two denominators should multiply. 3 7 jar 21 plus 2 5 jar 10 by 35. 5 7 jar 35. Okay. Then 21 plus 10 how much? 31 by 35. 31 by 35. Okay. I will repeat again. These are the unlike fractions. We have two fractions, that's why I am taking cross multiplication. Cross multiplication is nothing but the first fraction with the second denominator should multiply. The second fraction with the first denominator should multiply. Means 3 7 jar and 2 5 jar in numerator. Then whatever denominator means 5 into 7 is 35. Don't take any one denominator. Should multiply two denominators and take the value. 31 by 35 is the standard form. Why? Because this is not possible to cancellation. That's why 31 by 35 is the standard form. Okay, one more problem will explain. One more problem. Four plus 7 by 8. See here 4 plus 7 by 8. What happened here? One fraction is there, one whole part is there. That's why I am taking 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Why? Because in denominator we are taking 1, then nothing problem. Why? Because the numerator value will not change. That's why I am taking 1. Okay. Now first is one fraction, second one also fraction. Now same method, should multiply 4 into 8 plus 7 into 1 by these two denominators, 1 into 8. Then 4 8 jar 32 plus 7 1 jar 7 by 8 1 jar 8 is 39 by 8. 39 by 8. 39 by 8. This is a standard form. There is non-possible cancellation. That's why this is the resultant answer. Okay. Two fractions, unlike fractions is there means go to cross multiplication. More than two fractions is there means we will explain LCM. Okay students, today we will discuss the sum of additions of fractions and ascending or descending order of unlike fractions. Next class we will continue subtraction of fraction and some mixed fractions also. Thank you.